I'm Paula, and I'm a welder.
My name's Dylan Osteroff. I'm a welder fitter and now a drawing detailer.
My name is Scott Rankin. I work at Cambridge Profab. I'm a senior fitter welder and I love every second of it.
Honestly, there's a beauty to welding, and I love it.
We have 250,000 square feet here. We have about just over 100 employees. This facility can definitely handle 200 to 250 employees. We believe the market's there for us, the space is here for us, and the growth opportunities are there for us.
We're very busy with a lot of diverse products that need a lot of different types of people. Those that are willing to put in the time and the effort can really go places here.
I started as a general laborer. I was a welder, a fitter welder. I was a lead hand, a supervisor, a plant manager. Now I'm currently in sales and estimating.
One day my boss came out and heard that I was doing well, putting a solid effort in every day, and he encouraged me to go to school. I was learning SolidWorks and AutoCAD, so now I'm able to literally take a project from drafting to production.
So I mean, it's a great opportunity for not just young people, but middle-aged and even people that have been in different industries where their industries have shut down and they got an opportunity to grow. And in our case, we're seeing people even come out of the restaurant industry.
I started in retail and then lost my job there. So I got started into here and just moved my way up, learned so much from so many people.
I was a young mother and needing to work right away. I came here for my co-op and they trained me and helped me along.
And it's all up to them. The more they want to learn, then the more we're willing to teach.
There's a lot of time when someone wants to learn a new welding process, they'll stay and get coached by somebody else who's got that ticket, who can show them how to do that. So they're just always encouraging on trying to develop people.
The company encouraged me to get better at every step. All the employees here helped show me the ropes.
We've always been known as a go-to company to learn and a place to stay in a career that you really want to stay with and hopefully make this, your first and last stop.
Yeah, I'm very proud of what I do and I love what I do. When I build something and I get to say, hey, look, I did that.
Myself have been here for over 15 years. Some of us have just celebrated 25 years. You are family. You are part of the group.
Within a couple of months of doing this, I knew I made the right decision.
I enjoy coming to work every day, and I do enjoy the people that work here.
Every single day a truck pulls out of here, and every day I look at that and say, wow, we built that. Yeah, I can't explain how that makes me feel every single time.
You don't know until you try it. You might just fall in love with welding.